Hey everyone, this is cabin 8052. This is an accessible deluxe interior. And as you can see, there is expansive space. So for someone in a scooter or a wheelchair, there is plenty of accessibility here in the cabin. Also, big, wide door when you came in. I will point out, though, there's not as much space on this side of the bed. So the person in the wheelchair or the scooter, obviously this would be the side because there's plenty of room. Now, the bed is a king-size bed or two twins if you want to have them separated. There is no power that I see up by the headboard. There's lights. Oh, wait a minute. It looks like there's a USB port right there. So there is a USB in that side and that side. So they kind of hid it in there. Across from the bed, you have your TV, nice big lighted mirror. There is a refrigerator in here, a drawer. You have a bench and a stool. There's the little sort of, I call it a bench. It's a table, but then there's a stool that rests in it. You have a nice closet here. It's kind of dark on that side. You've got shelves, safe, and drawers right there. Now, this being an accessible cabin, you'll have a zero clearance bathroom, which means roll right in. So no obstructions. There are handbars everywhere, bench to transfer over to in the shower, phone in case of an emergency, toilet, as you can see. You can also roll up to the sink, and your power is here lower as well. So there you go. There's an accessible deluxe interior here on the Grandiosa. Let us know if it's going to be good enough for you. Ciao.